This video goes out to you electric unicycle riders that don't want to go full suspension. This might help knock the edge off. Okay, let's talk suspension. What's up everybody, Sensei here. So yes, suspension is definitely on my mind. I watched Mickey's video, EVX video on the V11. Excellent review, I kid you not. Non-biased, he laid it down, gave the facts, and I'm gonna put that video in the link in the description below. Seriously, great video. But again, I watched it and I was thinking, is there a sweet spot? Can you find a sweet spot for a wheel without going full suspension? And I believe that I found something. Now, you know, of course, the more pressure that you have in the wheel, right, the more that it can absorb bumps and, you know, and vibrations and things like that. But it's a little bit harder to ride. That's why some people, I'm starting to notice, they ride with a lower pressure, right? Okay, keep that in mind. I was looking at something, because I want to keep this video short. I was looking at something the other night. It's called airliner, okay? That is what we're going to talk about tonight. Can you put airliner in your tire to absorb the shock, to absorb the bumps? I believe it can. This is what the Victoria airliner looks like. You can get it in different sizes, and you can use tire sealants like slime as well. You can also pump air into the tire. Now we're going to move into the video next. I'm going to show it in 15-second increments, and we should be able to use the footage under fair use.
Now to demonstrate how the tire reacts with the insert versus without. I rode right into the side of a 4x4. With 21 psi and no airliner, you can clearly see the tire bottom out. Now with only 20 psi and the insert, you can see how the rim doesn't quite bottom out, and this is where the difference feels huge. Without the insert, the rim makes a bad noise. And with the airliner, you just feel a gentle thud. Not just looking at how far the tire compresses, but also how the tire rebounds over the obstacle. This is where I feel like the airliner shines. For my weight, I can ride around 25 psi with the airliner and not get rim strikes. This takes a solid 30 psi without it. Getting out on the trail, I was seriously surprised. These take the ding completely out of the system. Running over roots and rocks, the behavior of the rear end was really different. The absorbing and rebound the insert gives really helped it float over small roots and bumps. The airliner actually made the bike a lot more fun to ride. It comes in 4 sizes, ranging from 1.95 all the way up to 4 inches, with weights starting in at 95 grams and going up to 243.
Now, let's just say this idea is a complete shot in the dark, but you never know. Let's just say this could add 15 to 25% increase in ride comfort, more or less. It could save your tire from bottoming out and bending your rim. So I would definitely look into this. If you like videos like this, give it a thumbs up, sub to the channel. And I want to thank each and every one of you for joining me. I'm Sensei. Hello, good night, and ride your wheel like you hate it.